And we start in three, two, one. Hello and welcome, you big bloody beautiful legends. Bro, क्या चल रहा है यार? आज मैं IDBI बैंक गया था bro. I was thinking about this before I started recording. दिमाग सड़ा दिया यार उधर लोगों ने. मैं क्या करूं? मतलब like at one point I was like यार दिमाग हट गया है ये बैंक वालों के साथ यार. मतलब like वे इसलिए ऑनलाइन ही सब होना चाहिए bro. Online मतलब I know there's a lot of people that will say like that the technology isn't available to a lot of people. I understand that. I get it. But more or less you should try and make things easier online and give people the power to make things online. Like usually everybody has a smartphone. I know there are a lot of people that might not be able to have that, but मोर और लेस यार दिमाग सड़ गया है यार. मतलब लाइक आज सुबह एक तो आई टेल यू द स्टोरी. मैं बाथरूम में था, हग रहा था, ठीक है. सुबह का टाइम है, ज़्यादा कुछ दिमाग में चल नहीं रहा है. तो मतलब मोर और लेस यू जस्ट थिंकिंग राइट कि दिन क्या जा रहा है, आज क्या देखूँ, क्या आज क्या करूँ मैं. क्या मैं ज़िंदा हूँ, क्या मतलब क्या आसमां है नीला, क्यों पानी गीला गीला, ये सब सोच आता है ठीक है दिमाग में हकते हकते. पॉइंट बीइंग कि मैं मतलब इरिटेट हो गया क्योंकि सुबह माई मॉम केम एंड शी इज लाइक इट इज लाइक 9:30 इन द मॉर्निंग. आई नो 9:30 इज टू लेट टू बी वंडरिंग अबाउट व्हाट द वर्ल्ड इज एंड ऑल दैट शिट, बट सच इज माई लाइफ राइट नाउ. ब्रेक चालू है, समर वैकेशन, जरा रहने दीजिए. पॉइंट बीइंग माई मॉम केम, शी लाइक शी इज बैंगिंग इन द डोर, थर 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 ऐसा. And I was like, क्या हुआ bro? मतलब ऐसा why you fucking like what happened? She like in Gujarati she said जा डीमैट कराया IDBI बैंक मा, meaning go get the demat done in IDBI in plain English. So in my head she's saying that go to IDBI bank and get your demat account opened. I was like I don't want to I don't want a demat account in IDBI. तो she like कराई आओ go get it done. I was like मुझे नहीं कराना है यार, I don't want to get it done. Then she's like, I only have to do everything, nobody does anything. I was like, what the fuck has that got to do with you? Like, I don't understand the logic behind it. Whatever, point being, all that happened. And then 10 minutes later, I came out and like all that. And she's still like yelling. She's still upset. She's like, koi kuch kaam nahi karta. Matlab, I have to do all the work. Like, what has this got to do with me? Then she's like, no, I want you to go to get my DMAT done. I was like, okay, so you want to open a DMAT account? She's like, no, DMAT is open. There is some shares I've sold. Go like get it punched in, get it stamped and shit like that. Like cool man, I'll go yeah. But what is this fiasco? She like no, the bank shuts this that. I was like fine, whatever, I'll go. Udhar gaya. So before going, my mom told me they always say the system is down because they want you to get it done late. But I've just sold it and I've just registered it. If it doesn't register in the bank, it'll go to auction. The shares will go to auction. I was like shit, ये तो पैसे की बात आ गई. अपन देख, अपन लिबरल आर्ट्स वाले हैं. अपन ज़्यादा मतलब मनी मनी बिजनेस में घुसते नहीं है. मतलब ठीक है, अपन अपना पर्सनल फाइनेंस मतलब सेट हो जाए वही बड़ी बात है. So like for me it's a big deal if I only like figure out where my $200 from my wallet went. Like so it's a big deal. She goes like they always say it's the account is like the system is down and this and that. You get it done. Say I just want it done no matter what. I was like fine. तो मैं गया, मैं पहुंचा एंड अभी देख झूठ बोलने में मतलब एक्सपर्ट हो गए अपन. ठीक है, आई हैव लाइड माई वे थ्रू लाइफ सो मच सो दैट टुडे यू कुड आस्क मी हाउ माई डे वॉज एंड आई कुड बी ब्लड कुड बी ड्रिपिंग फ्रॉम माई चॉप्ड लेग फ्रेश and I'd be like next level. Today I made $1 million and I'll convince you and myself that I've done that. ऐसा मतलब lying हो गया. Not good but product of the nature that I am from. But point being, yeah, so I went and I was like, if they asked, say that system down होगा, I'll say fees भरने का है कॉलेज का, this and that. Otherwise like ये नहीं बिका तो fees नहीं बेच दे पाएंगे and all. तो so I was hoping that is their like top level shit, top priority if like बच्चे का fees and this and that. And I don't know, is the video lagging or what bro? I feel like it is lagging, but sorry if it's lagging. I'll try and work it out. But my bad. I don't know because I can see myself. There is a screen that shows me whatever it's recording. It's lagging in that, so I'm assuming it's also lagging for you. Sorry, work with it. Uh, if for the people who are listening to this only audio, lucky you. But point being, yeah. So I went there and I told them, that yeah, like ye kara do, and immediately, literally, the guard and the watchman only when I walked in, they were like, क्या करवाना है? तो I was like, डीमैट का काम है. They're like, नहीं system बंद है. was like ठीक है तो बात तो करने दो सिस्टम वाले आदमी से, like whoever's operating let me at least talk to them. And they were like नहीं allowed नहीं है बात करना. Like what kind of nonsense is this? So I first like okay, if this was Temple Run level 1 था ये ठीक है, where those fuckers are chasing you, like this is like where they're not super fast yet, like that right now shit hasn't, like hell hasn't broken loose. Okay, I like first obstacle crossed it by saying अच्छा बात तो करने दो भाई प्लीज भाई, this that दोस्त यार मेरे. Then I see, luckily I was dressed as a fucking asshole only. I was in like shorts with a t-shirt with a big hole in it. Like not big hole, छोटा hole था, but you could see that हाँ मतलब ये चूती आदमी है. Like doesn't really care about his appearance as such. So I went and I spoke to the watchman first. I told him please let me go whatever. And he's like चल यार अभी क्या ही मतलब इसका ऐसा. This guy doesn't seem like the kind of guy who's like you know making multi-billion-dollar deals. Doesn't seem like a crony capitalist. I'll let him go. Seems like a proletariat, if anyone knows this. I'm glad. It's very common. But one second, let me have a sip of water. Yeah, no man, my bad, brother. It's just water. I can't fucking, I'll get to that later. Huh. So then, yeah, I crossed the guard and then I went to the desk where they're talking, you know, where they do the DMAT thing. And he was like again system was down. So I was like अरे भाई प्लीज़ भाई मेरा फीस भरने का है, कॉलेज का अर्जेंट है, दिस दैट. तो दे लाइक फाइन लेट मी चेक, लाइक यू नो नेटवर्क हैज़ कम बैक अगेन. ही सेड तुम जब आए नेटवर्क आ गया. मैं बोला या तो मतलब मैं आती लक्ष्मी हूँ या मतलब तुम चूतिया बना रहे हो. लाइक देर इज़ नो टू वेज. आइदर आई एम लेडी लक, आई एम लाइक लिटरली द 4 clover leaf whatever, 3 clover, I don't know, 3 or 4 clover leaf, or either you're making me an asshole. Like something is going on like that. This can't be the, like it can't be a coincidence. Then he's checking and all and he goes like नहीं अभी तो time लगेगा, it's still registering and all. Like देखो दोस्त फीस भरने का है, कॉलेज से निकाल देंगे. लास्ट टाइम क्या था 8,000 का एक्स्ट्रा पेनल्टी लगा दिया. तो दे लाइक आपको कब आज बोला फीस भरने. और लाइक नहीं आज भरने का है. तो लाइक तो कल क्यों नहीं आए. I was like well I didn't really take that into account in my lie. So I guess now we are going to have to either acknowledge that I'm lying or pretend that I didn't lie and move on with the conversation. Since you have no way to prove that my fee payment is today, let's move on with the understanding that I am not lying. So he's like क्या मालूम सर ये सब तो मम्मी को पता रहता है. Like he's like आप कितने साल के हो. Now my beard is, although like it's not a full beard right now, it's still like, you know that I'm not a 16, 17, 18-year-old. Like that's very rare chance. I'm small as shit, but like you can gauge by the beard that acha, at least he's 20. Like he can't be lesser than that. So I told him yeah this is the case and he was like आप कितने साल के हो. Like 22 साल का, 22. तो he was like आपको समझ नहीं आया कि आज नहीं करना चाहिए और कल 2-3 दिन पहले कर लेना चाहिए था. I was like क्या करूँ सर. मम्मी लाइक क्या मम्मी मम्मी. I was like नहीं पता नहीं सर. Meanwhile some lady interjected, the actual lady who was like you know punching in the shit, and she was like सर हो जाएगा आज तो मतलब अभी है थोड़ा आधा एक घंटा नेटवर्क मुझे लग रहा है होगा. तो लाइक थैंक यू भाई गुड बाय अभी फीस हो जाएगा दिस दैट. And the guy left and the lady who was punching in the numbers was like आपको फीस भरने का है. So I was like हाँ. So like नहीं तो 2-3 दिन पहले आना चाहिए ना. I was like yes. And like while there was some shit that was loading, like my mom's account number or something, like some shit was loading, you know, the whole page where they show you everything, her details, it was loading. She looked at me like सर 2-3 दिन पहले आ जाइए करेगा क्या मालूम अगली बार आपका सिस्टम असली में डाउन हो जाए. I was like aha, so you said असली में. So what you mean is इसके पहले असली नहीं था. I didn't say that because she also knew I was lying. I also knew they were lying about something. So फिट्टूस हो गया समझ रहा है. फिट्टूस करना लाइफ में इम्पोर्टेंट है. मैं क्या बोला था पहले पॉडकास्ट में, नेट ऐसे ही फिट्टूस करना इम्पोर्टेंट है. ऐसा होना चाहिए. बट यार मतलब यार दिमाग अड़ गया, दिमाग चढ़ा दिया उसने. बट कमिंग बैक टू द फकिंग वाटर थिंग ब्रो, आई कांट यार. नहीं होता मेरे से ये पूरा दिन ही साला ये मैं मतलब नहीं. I can't be fucking having like every podcast. I upload thrice a week. I can't have a drink every like beverage मतलब like कितने सारे हैं दुनिया में यार. There's only a finite amount you can have at night without it making it seem shady. Like I can't have a coffee or a tea, I'll be up all night. I can't have like a ginger ale. It's kind of expensive, man. $70 for a ginger ale. Schweppes का क्या कर रहे हो यार? थोड़ा सस्ता करो यार. 70 rupees जरूर. You can't enjoy it every day then. Like I know that it's not, you know, that $70, yeah, you'll be like, huh, whatever, it's not a big deal. But still, like if I buy it myself, it's a lot. Like it's like 100. I count it as 100 rupees, so it's quite a bit. $300 a week if you're living on pocket money. Like just taking that chunk out for what? Fucking a bet? No, bro, that's not happening. And I can't be drinking. Like there's beers and some, you know, vodka and all at home. Like I can't be fucking drinking on a Tuesday night, Wednesday night. Like I can, but do I want to? Is the real question. Whatever, man. Oh man, chillaxation. But yeah, bro, like I can't. It's not feasible to drink every night. Like it's really not feasible to be like that person because I know dude, I've been boozing for a while. Okay, by boozing I mean like at least every weekend. So every weekend though it happens, and twice, thrice a week also it happens. So it's like 4 days a week. I don't heavy booze all those days, but once a week to heavy boozing happens. And apart from that, I alone once in a while or like once in 2 days or something, I have a couple of drinks and my face is swelling up. I can feel the booze like coursing through my veins. Like you know how you can feel sludge. Like if I injected something in your veins, if it was so like fucked up that you could feel that shit through running through your veins, I can feel that in my face, in my eyes. I feel like there are a couple of veins in the back of my eyes where I can feel the fucking booze. I don't know why. Like it hurts, it aches. That's what boozing is. Your face gets bigger and gets more fucked up. That's what's happening to me. If you notice, मेरा chiseled jawline तो नहीं था, but ऐसे cheek to jaw ratio अच्छा था. I'm not saying ऐसा handsome आदमी था, but cheek to jaw ratio अच्छा होना चाहिए. अभी ऐसा भटोरा जैसा बन गया हूँ मैं, एकदम पटेटो माफिक, सब बूजिंग कर करके और गंदा खाना खा के. Don't fucking come at me, it's real. Like I'm sorry. Like if you're boozing all week, this is what's gonna happen. Your face is gonna fucking puff up. You're gonna start looking like shit. But on that note, on that positive fucking note, I'm gonna end this podcast. Thank you so much for watching. I love you. I love you all. And go follow, like, whatever, share. You do whatever you have to do. Go follow me on Twitter and especially on Instagram. I post some clips there. So in case you miss a podcast, you'll always have a clip. So yeah, go check it out. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye bye.